My dear students, once again I welcome you all to my channel Abrar Sir classes. Today we'll be seeing some interesting and important problems on the chapter gravitation. This is part 4 of the video. This is the first problem. It is saying if the radius of the earth be increased by a factor of 5, by what factor is density be changed to keep the value of g the same? Now let us say if Re is the radius of the earth, Re dash is equal to, they have given 5 Re. Okay. Now you are supposed to calculate by what factor density be changed. Now we know that acceleration due to gravity g is given by g, that is universal gravitational constant, into mass of the earth divided by radius of earth the whole square. That is given by g into mass can be written as what? Density into volume. That is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is Re cube divided by Re square. This Re square, this power will become 1. Okay, then G will be equal to what? 4 pi by 3 G, capital G, rho R E. Okay, this is what in terms of density. Acceleration due to gravity in terms of density. This is what it G dash is equal to 4 pi by 3 G. Okay, these are constants. Now rho dash and Re dash. Now since they are saying that G should be same, G is equal to what? G dash. If I equate this one, I'm going to get rho Re is equal to rho dash Re dash. Now we are supposed to calculate what? Rho dash. Rho Re is equal to rho dash into Re dash is how much? 5 into Re. Re gets cancelled. Rho dash is equal to what? 1 by 5 rho. Okay, rho dash is equal to 1 by 5 rho is the right answer. Okay? 1 by 5, that is the correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. It is saying the mass and diameter of a planet are twice those of Earth. Okay, now it is saying mass of the planet is equal to twice of mass of the Earth, and diameter will take the radius. Radius is what? Rp is equal to 2 Re. Okay, now what will be the period of oscillation of a pendulum on this planet if it is a seconds pendulum on Earth? We know that what is time period of oscillation? T is nothing but 2 pi root of L by G E. Okay, Earth. That is equal to 2 seconds. What is this 2 seconds? Time period of oscillation. Time period of oscillation of a seconds pendulum is 2 seconds. Is 2 seconds. सेकेंड्स पेंडुलम मीन्स वो पेंडुलम होता है जिसका टाइम पीरियड ऑफ ऑसिलेशन 2 सेकेंड्स होता है. ओके, नाउ हाउ मच इज TP, that is for a planet 2 pi square root of L by Gp. Now let us write the ratio TE by TP. Okay, that is equal to 2 pi gets cancelled. That is equal to square root of what will be getting? Square root of Gp divided by Ge. We are going to get how much is TE? TE is 2 seconds. That is 2 by TP. That is square root of. Now write down the formula for acceleration due to gravity. That is G m p square, that is G mp divided by rp square into, we know that what is Gp is nothing but G mp by rp square. What is Ge is given by G me by re square, where m is mass of earth mp is mass of planet, rp is radius of planet, re is radius of, okay, into this will come to the numerator rp square, under root this is divided by gme. Gg gets cancelled. I am going to get 2 by Tp is equal to square root of mp by me into what? Re square divided by rp square. That is equal to square root of mp can be written as what? 2me. mp can be written as what? 2me divided by me. Re square, you write this as it is, divided by rp square can be written as what? 4 re square. 4 re square. This me gets cancelled. Re square gets cancelled. That is, you are going to get 2 by Tp is equal to square root of, this is 1, okay, 1 by 2. That is 1 by square root of 2. That is Tp is equal to 2 root 2 seconds. 2 root 2 seconds is the right answer. Tp is nothing but what? Tp is nothing but what will be the period of oscillation of pendulum on this planet, okay, if it is a second pendulum on earth, okay. T is 2 seconds and Tp we got 2 root 2 seconds is the right answer. Hope you understood this sum. Now let us go to the next sum. It is saying the acceleration due to gravity g and mean density of the earth rho are related by which of the following relations? G is gravitational constant, universal gravitational constant, and r is the radius. We know that what is acceleration due to gravity? G is given by what? Acceleration due to gravity is given by G is equal to G me by r e square. Okay, that is G into what is mass? Density into volume. That is 4 by 3 pi re cube divided by re square. This re square, this power gets cancelled, power will become 1. G will be equal to how much? 4 pi by 3 g rho r, okay, that is re, that is radius of the earth. Now from here I can write rho is equal to 3g divided by 4 pi g r, where r is the radius of the earth, okay, which is the correct answer. 3g divided by 4 pi gr, this is the right. Hope you understood this. Let us go to the next problem. Acceleration due to gravity, okay, acceleration due to gravity on moon is 1 by 6 of the acceleration due to gravity on earth. Acceleration due to gravity on moon, that is gm is equal to how much? 1 by 6 of what? Ge. And now again they have given rho e by rho m is equal to how much? Pi by 3, okay. Write down in this way, gm by Ge will be equal to how much? That is 1 by 6. What you are supposed to calculate? The radius on moon, Rm in terms of Re will be how much? Okay. Now, then radius of moon Rm in terms of Re will be how much? Okay. We know that since the density is given, let us write down the formula in terms of density. That is Ge is nothing but what? G me by r e square. Acceleration due to gravity is given by gme by r e square. That is nothing but g density into volume. That is 4 by 3 pi re cube divided by re square. So this re square and this power gets cancelled. Ge will be equal to how much? Ge is equal to 4 pi by 3 g rho r e. Okay. Now similarly, now this is This rho will be density of Earth. Similarly, what is GM? That is for moon. For moon. This is for Earth. This is for moon. GM will be equal to 4 pi by 3 G. This is constant rho m into Rm. Okay. Now we know that Gm by G is equal to 1 by 6. Substitute Gm. If I substitute 4 pi by 3 G rho m Rm divided by what? How much is Ge? 4 pi by 3 G rho e Re is equal to how much? 1 by 6. Okay. This gets cancelled. You are supposed to calculate. Okay. Rm by Re will be equal to how much? 1 by 6 of into this rho e divided by rho m. That is Rm by Re is equal to 1 by 6 into how much is rho e by rho m? They have given 5 by 3. 5 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 18. 5 by 18. Therefore, I can write Rm is equal to 5 by 18 of what? Re. The radius of moon is equal to 5 by 18 times of radius of Earth. Hope you have understood this. This is the correct answer. Students, hope you understood all these problems. If you like this problem, kindly share with your friends. Ask doubts in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe for my channel and like the video. I wish you all the best for your KCET, NEET and IIT JEE examinations. Thanks for visiting my channel Abrar Sir classes. I wish you all the best.